So बच्चों today now I start next questions from exercise 3.2. I have already discussed question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and today now I start question number 4. This is your last video for exercise 3.2. I have discussed in 3.2 question number 5, 6 and 7. So first of all I start question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width. Length is 4 more than its width is 36 meter. Here is 36 meter is half of perimeter and length is 4 more than its width. Find the dimension of garden. So we know that perimeter of rectangular garden is 2 into L plus B. So let length equal to x and width equal to y. So here is first equation. Length is 4 more than its width. Length is x and width is y. So here is say that length is 4 more than. So multiply in width plus 4. So this equation are equal. So from this equation we obtained these points, this coordinate. Make a table and write here x and here y. On a place of x we get value of y 0, and on a place of x if we put 8 then we obtained value of y equal to 4. And here is from second equation, perimeter of rectangular garden is 2 into L plus B, that means x plus y. Length is x and width is y, but here is say that half of perimeter that means divided 2. If you divided 2 then 2 and 2 cancel, and here is given 36. The x plus y equal to 36. This is equation second. And now here draw a table from this equation. Write x and y. If on a place of x we put 36 then value of y 0, and on a place of x we put 0 then value of y equal to 36. Now here we obtained from equation 1 first table and from equation second table. So draw a graph from this table. Here is we draw table from this graph. Here 1 unit equal to 4 meter. Here write 4, 8, 12, 14, 20, 24. And here this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. From first equation x4 y0. Here is x4 and y is 0. We know that on a x-axis value of y equal to 0 and on a y-axis value of x equal to 0. So here is x4 0. Here is x4 comma 0. And second यहाँ लिख देते हैं x4 comma 0. Here x4 comma 0. x4 comma 0, and here x8 comma 4. So here is x8 and y4. Here is fine. So join this point we get a straight lines. From second equation we obtained a table x equal to 36, y equal to 0. Here is x equal to 36 and y equal to 0. We know that on a x-axis value of y equal to 0, and from second x0 y36. Y36 y is here, and we know that on a y-axis value of x equal to 0. So these points and these points join, and these two lines intersect at a point 20, 16. So first one is known as x-axis and second is known as y. So we let x is length of rectangle and y is width of rectangle. So length of rectangle 20 meter and width of rectangle 60 meter. This is your answer. Next question number 6 पर चलते हैं. Question number 6, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variable such that the geometrical representation of pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincide lines. That means we have to draw a line. One equation is given, but we have to draw another equation whose intersecting lines. So we know that a line intersect when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, and a line parallel if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, and a line coincide if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Now we draw equations. देखते हैं. First equation, here is given equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Now a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to minus 8. For intersecting line, we know that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So here take a value a, b itself. You take any value on a a2, b2, but this value a1 by a2 b1 by b2 satisfy these equations. So मैंने यहाँ पर a2 equal to 5 ले लिया and b2 equal to 4 and a1 by a2 that means 2 by 5 and b1 by b2 that means 3 by 4. 2 by 5 not equal to 3 by 5. So here write a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So ये जो लाइंस बनेगा वो लाइन क्या होगा, इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. सो हेयर राइट 5x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. So these lines and these lines are intersect each other. Next देखते हैं, we have to draw another equation who has parallel. तो parallel का कंडीशन क्या होता है, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. The a2 b2 c2 you take any value, but this value satisfy this equation a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So here is a first equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to minus 8. Now we take a2 equal to 4 and b2 equal to 6 and c2 equal to 11. Now 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 and here is minus 8 by 11. Here is 2 by 4, here is 3 by 6. So cancel करेंगे, 2 2 जा 4, 3 2 जा 6. तो 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 not equal to minus 8 by 11. So this satisfies this equation a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So here is the equation 4x 6y and plus 11 equal to 0. This line and this line are parallel. Second, coincide lines. So we know that a line coincide if a1 by a2 b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to minus 8. Here take a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 6 and c2 equal to minus 16. We take another value, many more value on a place of a2, but these a2 b2 c2, but these points satisfied this equation, then line are coincide, otherwise line are not coincide. So here is 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and minus 8 by 16. 2 2 जा 4 कैंसिल करते हैं, 3 2 जा 6 एंड माइनस माइनस कैंसिल होगा, 8 2 जा 16. तो 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2. These all are equal. So this satisfied this equation. 1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So here we formed equation 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0. So question number second has been completed होता है यहाँ पर. Next देखते हैं 7. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and second equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertex of the triangle formed by this line and x-axis. इस दोनों लाइन से जो ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है एंड एक्स एक्सिस से एंड साइड द ट्रायंगुलर रीजन, जो ट्रायंगुलर रीजन बन रहा है फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन एंड एक्स एक्सिस, उसको साइड रेट करना है. सो देखते हैं. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. On a place of x we put 0, then we obtained value of y equal to 1. And on a place of x we put 1, then value of y equal to 2. Here is second equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. On a place of x we put 0, then these terms are 0 and क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 12 इस साइड जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, तो 12 में 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 6. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट ऑन ए प्लेस ऑफ y we put 0, then any number multiply 0 equal to 0. तो यहाँ 0 हो जाएगा, माइनस 12 इक्वल टू 0. सो 3x माइनस में उस साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा प्लस में, देन x इक्वल टू 12 by 3 इक्वल टू 4. सो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा 4 हो जाएगा. सो सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ ग्राफ, इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं. हियर इज फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, हियर इज सेकंड इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का पॉइंट्स एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन का पॉइंट मैंने ड्रॉ कर लिया है. सो हियर इज एक्स एक्सिस एंड दिस आर वाई एक्सिस. पॉइंट 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 यूनिट का स्केल लिए हैं. हेयर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. फर्स्ट पॉइंट 0 1 x इक्वल टू 0 यहाँ होगा एंड y 1 यहाँ. सो दिस पॉइंट्स क्या हो जाएगा x 0 1. सेकेंड x 1 y 2, x 1 यहाँ होगा और y 2 कहाँ होगा, यहाँ होगा. सो दिस पॉइंट को क्या करेंगे, ज्वाइन दिस पॉइंट्स. ये जो मेरा हो जाएगा x, इसको लिख देते हैं. ये जो मेरा हुआ x 0 y 1 और यहाँ जो पॉइंट हुआ मेरा वो हुआ x 1 and y 2. So here we obtain 2 points x 0 1 and x 1 2. Join these points and we obtained a straight line. From second equation x 0 y equal to 6, x 0 here and y equal to 6, यहाँ इस पॉइंट को कट कर देंगे. एंड सेकेंड x 4 y 0, x 4 यहाँ होगा एंड y 0 इसी पर हो जाएगा, because we know that on x axis value of y equal to 0. So these points and this point join, we obtain a straight line. Now these equations and this equation and x axis we obtained a triangular shape. Write the name this triangular shape A B C. Point of coordinate of A -1, 0 and coordinate of B 2, 3. This is 2, 3 and coordinate of 4, coordinate of C 4, 0 and sided these points. This is your answer. So this chapter exercise 3.2 complete हुआ. From tomorrow I will start next exercise 3.2. If you have any doubt in this exercise, then tell me in comment box or WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.